Welcome to FitChicken. You are just a few clucks away from booking with your fitness professional. Life just got easier. Let's get started. First, click on Account and make sure all of your account information is correct. After finishing, click on Submit at the bottom of your screen. Before you can start booking with your fitness professional, you will need to buy a session package. Session packages allow you to book multiple appointments in advance. Your fitness professional has selected that you pay for this package by either credit or COD. So, click on Buy Sessions. Next, you'll be shown your trainer's refund policy. Please review this information and click on Agree. Then, select a session package and click on Buy Sessions. After clicking on Buy Sessions, both you and your fitness professional will receive an automatic receipt of this purchase. That's it, you're ready. Your calendar shows the current month's available time slots. You can scroll forward or back by using these arrows. To book a session, select a day and click here. All the available times will be listed. Choose the time and click on Book Session. Large yellow squares indicate your session's booked with the time of day in bold. Need to reschedule? It's now easier than ever. Click on the underlined Reschedule link. Choose a new date and time and click Book Session. That's it. Your fitness professional is sent an email notification of this appointment, and it immediately shows up on both of your calendar views. FitChicken will also send you automatic email reminders, helping you and your fitness professional to stay on top of things. You'll receive emails with a reminder before every session, a reminder when you are due, receipts of all sessions purchased, and a schedule of changes. Remember, all sessions on FitChicken must be booked at least 24 hours in advance, as there is a 24-hour cancellation policy for all users. Lastly, be sure to check in on your fitness professional's tips section as well. You can even respond with a comment. It's that simple. Thanks for joining us. Life just got easier for you and for your fitness professional. Welcome to FitChicken.